and welcome back. First things first, I want to say happy Mother's Day to all my mamas out there. I hope that you guys are gonna have a fantastic day today. I know a lot of us are still in quarantine right now. Some of us are transitioning out of it, but hopefully your day is still special no matter what you're doing. So let's talk about today's video. Let's get into it. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium box. This is the only one that arrived. I'm currently waiting on the smaller variation. Oh gosh, please ignore this broken nail. I just broke it. I need to fix it. Anyways, yeah, this one was the first to arrive and I couldn't wait for the other box, so I'm just gonna be unboxing the Premium today. So, let's get into some facts about the Premium. The Premium is a $35 subscription box. You're gonna get 6 to 7 full-size items with a value of $175 and up. Yeah, let's get into it. I pre-cut the little tape at the bottom there. It says Premium up top, and here are our items. The theme of this box is boxy nature. And looking in my box right now, I can see that I have 6 items. So let's go ahead and just start getting right into it. Let's start off with this one. I recognize the brand already. We have actually gotten a product by this brand before. This is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. Before we got the Truffle Skin Face Gommage. It was like a skin exfoliator. I did really enjoy that one. So let's see what we got for Skin & Co. this time. Aha! So this is gonna be a eye concentrate this time. This is just an extension of the Truffle Therapy line, so now we get to include in a eye cream. And looking here at the directions, nothing crazy about it. It's just a regular eye cream. Dab it on after you wash your face. Bada bing, bada boom. Looking here on the website, it's $66. Ooh, I don't know, eye creams always get me with their prices because it's just like such a teeny jar. It's got like a really high price tag. Wow. I'll go ahead and give that a go tonight and we'll see how that works out. Hopefully it is just as good as the other one. Then going back into the box here, I have a product that I honestly am not quite sure what it is yet. It is the Pureheals Centella 90. It looks like a serum based on the picture on the side here. Supposed to relieve irritations of sensitive skin, strengthen the skin barrier. Okay, here we go. How to use after cleansing, even out skin tone with toner, apply moderate amount of product onto the face. Okay, so it's just a serum. I just wanted to double check. You never know, you can never tell by the packaging. Sometimes they put it in crazy packagings and it's something else. Ooh, fun jar though. I like the green bottle. Let's take a little sniff of this because I can kind of smell this through the packaging. Oh, that's interesting. To me, it smells like it's got some citrus with some tea tree. I wonder if tea tree oil's in this. See a lot of different, oh, citrus, grapefruit, I see that. Okay, so I found where the citrus is coming from. I don't see anything that says tea tree oil in it, but it's got a little bit of that hint. Not as strong as if it was just tea tree oil, but got a little bit of that minty hint. So yeah, I haven't tried anything from this brand before, so I'm excited to give her a shot. Oh, by the way, this one does retail for $28. Whoops, don't worry, that dropped in my lap. It's fine, it didn't drop far. Always drop something. All right, let's move on to our third item now. So this one is by Sugar Rush, which is also Tarte's brand. It is the Best Buds Lip Butter Balm, and look at this packaging. That is adorable. I wonder if that's supposed to symbolize the scent because the scent is peony? I'm trying here, but that's the that's the scent of it, which is a flower. And I'm thinking that's what it's supposed to symbolize because I looked it up here and the other scent that they have or shade is rose, which has a pink top to it. So I think that's why they chose this, but it is $12 and it's supposed to have jojoba oil, shea butter, and some lactic acid in there. That's supposed to be really good for the lips. Keep them moisturized. I just wanted to try a little bit on my hand. I have a full thing of lipstick on, so I didn't want to put any on there. Oh, that smells delicious. I don't smell any flour to it though. It honestly has a very chocolatey scent to it. I don't smell anything floral inside of this lip balm. It just smells like straight up candy to me. smells delicious. If I were to put that on my lips right now, I'd want to eat it. For our fourth product, oh, we got a little Kat Von D here. Is it still Kat Von D? I thought they switched it because it still says Kat Von D, but I know they switched it to say now just KVD, and then they changed the meaning of those initials. Maybe this is just old packaging that they're trying to get rid of. I don't know. That's at least the last thing that I heard, was that they had been sold and they changed the name. So maybe this is older packaging. But this is the Inkwell liner in the shade Lolita. We got, I think, a blush last time, a blush eyeshadow. And you know, I mentioned it last time because that one was also the shade Lolita. I feel very uncomfortable now that I know what Lolita actually means. I don't know, the name just kind of, makes me feel a little bit weird every time now. I mean, she's got a lot of names of different products that are just a little bit like questionable. But anyways, here's a closer look at the liner, and the packaging is gonna be the same color as the liner itself. Whoops, got quite a lot of product out there. There's what it looks like. It actually dries down super fast. I just put that on and it looks like it's already dry. It's actually a really pretty color. I mean, I've always enjoyed the color. She definitely hit the nail on the head with that one, and her liner formulas have always been some of the best. There is no denying that. Like, she has had some killer liner. The tattoo liner, that one I was in love with for the longest time because it was really good. And checking out the price here, this liner retails for 20 bucks. Then we got two more products to go. The fifth one is by Milk. This is a really exciting brand to see in Boxycharm. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek in Flare. I was trying to swatch it and I was like, oh my god, nothing's coming off. And then it turns out it's got this plastic piece as like a little safety here. Oh my gosh, I feel like an idiot. Whoops. Let's try that again. And it retails for $15. It says to use this onto your cheeks or apply it onto your lips for just a hint of a color and some hydration. You can either make it sheer or build it for a bolder color. That could be a fun, like, no makeup kind of day if you just want to put a little something on the lips, a little cheeks, keep it very natural. I actually have not tried any Milk products. I really wanted to, I just haven't made the purchase yet, so this is pretty exciting to me. I'm definitely gonna give this a go for my very natural makeup looks. And then our very last item, you guys, we got ourselves a palette here by Too Faced. This is their Natural Matte, and this looks so familiar. I feel like I have this palette. Oh, this totally looks familiar. Hang on a second. Wait a minute, I need to look this one up because this looks just like the palette I just decluttered, which looks like, whoop, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen here for you guys. Okay, so it does say that the Natural Matte palette that I just showed you guys got a makeover. And it also got 7 new modern shades, 2 are classic shades, and then it's gonna be the exclusive coconut butter infused formula that is supposed to give for more creamier mattes and more comfortable wear. So they improved the formula, changed the shades up a little bit, because looking at it, comparing the picture of the old one to the new one, there is some slight variations between the two, like some slight differences from each shade. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it up to you guys so you can see the difference between the old and the new. So they definitely changed the shades up a bit. I'm not gonna lie, I was prepared to say right now, like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna put this back in the box. I will put this for a giveaway since I decluttered the older variation, but it does make me very curious because they have switched up the formula now. It's supposed to be a lot better. I think I'll try it out. You know, I feel like I should give it a fair shot. Let's see what we're working with here. Let me swatch it out. Not bad. The swatches actually went on really good. It definitely felt like there was quite a bit more pigment. I remember when I swatched the older variation, you know, it was a little bit more dry, it felt. And this one definitely feels a little bit softer. So that's kind of an initial thing I am recognizing. Okay, Too Faced, you got me. I'm gonna try you guys out again and see what we're working with here formula-wise. So I'll give this one a go tomorrow. And I mean, the color story itself has always been very beautiful. It's neutrals, it's mattes. I mean, you can't go wrong with the color story here. But I'm excited to try out that new formula we're working with. Oh, and that palette was $38. So that was actually the last item. Those were all 6. So let's do a quick calculation here of our value. Woo! Just made it. So the value of this month's box is $179, which it's expected to be at least $175, so you're definitely getting your value with this box. As far as the box goes, I did enjoy it. There were some good items inside of there. I'm excited to try out the new formula of the Too Faced Naturals palette. I was really excited to see that milk is coming in here. I'm really hoping that they are gonna start to put in a lot more milk. I wanna try them out, and it'll be perfect if they come inside of Boxycharm. But with that being said, I felt like this month there wasn't a real wow piece to me. It was just kind of like a good box, good items, but it was nothing that was a real standout moment for me, if you know what I mean. I'm definitely really excited to see what I get inside of my Boxycharm Original. I'm still waiting on that box. That one should be arriving next week. Fingers crossed it comes in soon. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys thought of this month's Boxycharm Premium for the month of, oh my gosh, I didn't even mention it, the month of May. Wow. We've been in quarantine too long, guys. Too long. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.